Welcome to our channel, where today we unlock the simplest method to access your Teachable account. Without hassle, welcome to our channel. Let's dive straight into how you can easily log into your Teachable account. In just a few simple steps, first open your preferred web browser and navigate to teachable.com. Once there, click on the Login button, usually found in the top right corner of the home page. This will take you to the login page, where you will enter your credentials. Next, enter your registered email address in the email field. Make sure this is the email you used when you signed up for your Teachable account. Then type your password carefully in the password field. Check that your caps lock is off to avoid any unnecessary login errors. If you forget your password, simply click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. After entering your details, click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your dashboard, where you can manage your courses and profile. If you want to stay logged in on your device, check the Remember Me box so you don't have to enter your details every time when you are done using your account. Remember to log out, especially on public or shared computers. To keep your account secure, that's it. Logging into your Teachable account is that simple and straightforward. Following these steps ensures you always have quick access to the amazing courses and resources you need. Don't forget to bookmark the Teachable login page for even faster access next time.